Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to create geometry shapes in Sketchup. It is a part 3. First is a pentagramic prism. Pentagramic prism is nothing but a star-shaped like face shape. Create a circle of 5 segments, that is pentagon. Make use of ruler for intersection of segments on each segments. Now make it as a group. Use line tool. What you have to do is create segments of line. Finally it will form a star-like shape. Now delete the center pentagon and press pull it. It will create a pentagramic prism. Make it as a group. Moving on to the octahedron. As you know that has 8 faces. Regular octahedron has an external total subangle of vertices of 109.47 degrees. Create a square at the bottom. Now create a section plane. What you have to do is create a section plane on the vertical. We are resizing the square and again we are creating a vertical section plane. Delete the bottom face. Select the path, follow me, and it will create a pyramid-like shape. Make it as a group. We are making it as a copy and moving it in Z direction. We are scaling it in -1 so that it rotates 180 degree in x-axis. Now again explode and make it as a group. It is an octahedron. Now moving on to dodecahedron. Dodecahedron, which is made of 12 pentagonal faces. What we have to do is create a circle with 5 segments. It will create a pentagon. Now what we have to do is we have to rotate it in 116.57 degrees in y-axis because it has an internal angle of 116.57 degrees. Now we have to rotate in blue axis. Again making it as a various copy by pressing X4. Now select the whole and make it as a group. We are exploding it. Now select the whole face and we have to make a copy in Z axis. Now we have to scale it in -1. Now in edit mode, we have to select the face of the pentagon and find center. Now we have to rotate according to the point. Now moving the point from in Z direction to desired point. Now selecting the whole and exploding it and making it as a group. It will create a dodecahedron. Now final one is icosahedron. Icosahedron is a geometrical shape which has a 20 triangular faces. For that we are making a golden rectangle. We are just making it as a group and we are making a copy in X, Y and Z direction. We are placing that copy in such a way that the three planes has its common point, center point of intersection. As you can see here, I am placing it in common point of center of intersection. rotating it in y-axis. Moving a center point to center of a 3 point of intersection. Now what we have to do is, I am just making a copy and selecting the whole and making it as a single group. Now we have to connect the line, we have to connect the vertices by creating a line. Whenever we create a line, it will create a face. And this triangular face is made. We have to connect all the vertices. Make sure that we are creating a face in all directions. Doing it again and again. Creating a segments in all directions. It will create a regular faces. The triangular faces are made evenly on all directions. Make sure that you did not miss any kind of segments. Now just delete the group. Now just reverse the faces. Finally, our icosahedron is made. Make it as a single group.